Anyway, guys, uTerelo final response to last night episode. What's on the same season 8 episode 14. Imagine being told ukuthi ingane yakho ayifani nezingane zakamseleko. Umangabe was very emotional. The fact that she was expecting Umpumelelo to come back and apologize. But obviously, knowing Umpumelelo Siyacela was a private school, Pumela never even came to Mangwabe and apologized. So, guys, Umangwabe revealed ukuthi Umpumelelo once said a few years ago ukuthi ingane yakhe what your mom has to come and explain to us where you got this hate. Umpumelelo now has a child with it, Terelo. Mangwabe went on to say that I can understand it because Terelo's child also has the same hate as Zinande, guys. So this is what Terelo posted on her Instagram account this morning as a way to show ukuthi eyakhe ingane is a real Zulu, guys. He's the real Zulu. He posted this picture knowing Terelo. We know one thing about Terelo, she has a funny way of responding to the current situation, guys, with the caption Vuma Dluzlama, guys. So last night it was really a painful episode. People were saying, oh, what's guys, and no one is calling him out. Samsalaka is not saying anything. All be honest, Umpumelelo uyingane. There's no way Umpumelelo can say those things to Zinande if one of Masaleko's wives has never said those words in front of Umpumelelo, guys. And maybe Umayeni and Musamsaleko, they were talking. Umpumelelo was around. So Umpumelelo decided, you know what, I'm gonna say this to Sinanzo, guys. That is so painful. You can see Ubutu Mangwabe, she's really feeling sad. She was expecting Umpumelelo to come back and apologize. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me what you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe.